Welcome to Elif's Kitchen. In this recipe, I'm sharing the eggplant çullama recipe with you, which comes from the city of Amasya in Turkey. 5 eggplants. Remove their green stems and place them on the grill pan, közmatik. Roast them nicely by turning them on both sides. If you wish, you can also roast them in the oven. Place the roasted eggplants in a bowl, cover it, and let them sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. We do this so that our eggplants can be peeled easily. Afterwards, easily peel the eggplants. Dice the peeled eggplants on a cutting board. Pour 1/4 teacup of liquid oil into the pan. I used a mixture of olive oil and liquid oil. Chop 1 medium-sized onion into julienne, parsley, and add it to the pan. Sauté for a few minutes. Add 2 medium-sized, thinly sliced red bell peppers. Add 2 pointed green peppers and continue to sauté. After sautéing the peppers for a few minutes, peel and dice 2 medium-sized tomatoes and add them to the pan. Add 1 teaspoon of tomato paste and continue to sauté for a few more minutes in this way. 2 to 3 cloves of thinly sliced garlic. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and close the lid of the pan. The tomatoes will release their own juice and then absorb the juice they have released. If your tomatoes don't release enough water, you can add about half a teacup of water. Cook over low heat until the peppers and tomatoes soften. Cook for approximately 10 minutes. As you can see, the tomatoes have absorbed their own juice and the vegetables have softened. Add the previously prepared roasted eggplants on top. Mix and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes in this way, then remove from the heat. You can serve this dish hot or cold, as you wish. Transfer to a serving plate and arrange neatly. Then garnish with chopped parsley. It turned out to be a wonderful dish. I'm sure you will love it when you try it too. Good luck to those who will try it. Thank you for watching my video.